Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about how you can change the app grid size in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move to our today's video topic. If you want to change your home app icon grid size, you can do this by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can change the home app grid size. Let's watch the video.